Today is Saturday, April the 6th, 2024. I'm about to attend an open house for my elementary school for the Lakeview Vikings alumni. Now, a lot has changed since I've been there. The buildings have been torn down and rebuilt. So a lot of it looks a lot different. But I did go through some boxes and I found my 5th grade report card and a couple of yearbooks that I have from back when I went to school from kindergarten to 5th grade. So I'm about to take a tour of the school. Like I said, it does look a lot different than it did when I went there. So come along with me.
Next station. Did anyone have the coffee? It's like almost there. It's gonna be really crowded, and I don't have any late. I love that coffee. I want to go buy coffee. That's outside. I gotta go get fries too. I know.
No, 78, because that was kindergarten. When did you go? Yeah. I got some of those. And I had my old first grade. Yes. I got my old 2 desks and 2 books. But year before that, when they had that big party, when the school was still old.
Yes.
So we got to walk around the little halls and I remember. I was looking in the hallways and I remember seeing like those old speakers.
Yeah, we couldn't get them.
I want one of those.
and stuff, and who cared, right?
What was that thing you were talking about back here with the names on the walls? We better hurry up with that picture because we're about to get behind.
One of the kids, he's a while ago, he goes, hey, watch, I'm gonna go back in time.
And recorders, she has hundreds of them. Every child knows how to use that. And a drum, she has drum kits, and I want to say for 100, because she's had drum concerts where they just drum. So they learn how to actually use instruments now. She's an amazing person. And each grade has its own program out here, like a big decorated whatever. Like a kinder, they do the little prints or fire them and let the kids paint it and fire it again and stuff. So her art things are amazing that she does in here. It's just amazing. But the kids, I mean, the drawings on the walls, as you leave here, she's got some stuff displayed. Little kids are drawing that stuff and doing very well with it.
Jean Wayne Bone?
Yes.
Jennifer's like
Jennifer who?
toxic.
Yeah, it's not a standard size elementary gym. Our coach that is here, she's
You walked on this floor, probably.
I know. She's very young and that's messy with the little kids they do on there.
So these were the trees were pretty much here.
They were here.
Young trees when it was built.
Yes, very young. They were probably planted. They're the only 2 survivors. But yeah, we use our outside. Hey, look, the bubbles are going. Look at that giant bubble thing. It's all
We lived at 519
So I want to know.
Main Street.
Where
You know where
these
6
pictures
runs?
are.
It's a T
The
there.
original
We
picture.
have them there in the
Well, now
library.
the house is torn down. There's a big 2-story house there. I'm sorry, you're
So I
taking
could go in
pictures.
and take pictures of these
Absolutely,
pictures.
yeah.
But we live there.
It's not as because of the insistence. They even put the window in the door so that the light can roll this way or this way, depending on where the sun is. It's really nice. The other thing they did is they put a bathroom in the little kids. So there's a toilet in the little.
So this is what grade?
Kinder. So the seating is very different. It's a lot more, they call collaborative. And they do have some of these, like, for the kids who need to move, those are wobble chairs. And they sit on it and kind of wobble. Is somebody in the bathroom?
You had to check it out.
Different chairs, yeah. They kept adding on. Yes, I know. And then Mr. Kemper went to California and saw these open concepts and came back and said, we're building open concepts here. Correct. They had meetings.
Your toes.
The person who does the music, we house a bunch of people when they tore down the special education area at another school. And so this is the woman who does music therapy, and she's great. She always has a joke every week, a new joke. Wow. So that's where they go. And these are volunteer rooms. On the right, we have a huge, if you can't tell, volunteer community. Our PTO is amazing, unbelievable. And these are their community rooms, and then a room that they have for some storage.
I know what you're saying in your head. Did you really get that?
Chicago